Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If your John Deere hour meter has stopped working or you are installing a new one, you have come to the right place. In this video, I will walk you through the entire process of replacing the hour meter, from the tools you will need to the step-by-step installation. Keeping track of your machine's hour is crucial for maintenance, and this quick fix will make sure you are back on the tool. Let's get started, and welcome to the MG Factor. To perform this job, you will need an hour meter which you can source from your local John Deere dealer. I will leave the part details in the description below. You will also need an flathead screwdriver or a socket wrench and a zip tie if needed. So the first step in the process is to disconnect the battery. Safety is always important, so disconnect the negative terminal before working on an electrical component. Locate the dashboard or panel where the hour meter is installed. Use a screwdriver or a wrench to remove the housing or the panel cover. Carefully disconnect the wiring connected to the back of the old meter. Take note or photo of the wire placements. As you can see in the image, these 4 clips hold the hour meter in place, so you need to press them and then push it out. Once done, you can reconnect the battery. Turn the ignition to the on position and verify the new hour meter powers on. You can, at this point, secure wires, tidy up any loose wires with a zip tie, reinstall the panel or dashboard cover. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to the channel. It's completely free and helps me continue creating more content like this. Believe it or not, over 98% of viewers watch without subscribing. We are on a mission to reach 1000 subscribers by end of this year, and your support makes a real difference. Thanks for being part of the journey. And that's how you replace a John Deere hour meter. It's a simple repair that helps you stay on top of your maintenance schedule and protect your investment. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more lawn equipment DIYs and maintenance tips. Drop a comment below if you got any questions or you own tips to share. I would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.